Welcome to Ella's Cook and Baking. Today we are making brownies. I found this wonderful, easy recipe that is so easy to follow. And now I'll taking the eggs and cracking them. Start with whisking the eggs. Then you add the sugar. Now you add the butter. Keep stirring. Then you take the flour and you sift it. You take the vanilla sugar and the baking powder, and then you do the cocoa powder as well. Stir again. This is what it's supposed to look like. I like to add nuts to it, approximately 100 gram, 150, all to your likings, and I like it in different shapes. Now you add it into a bake tin, and then you cook it approximately at 175 degrees for 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it though, because it can be a bit fiddly. You have to make sure it doesn't overbake, because then the result is not good. Here you see the finished result, and in a second I will cut it out. Here you see the finished result. This is a brownie served with Greek yogurt and vanilla sugar. You can also serve the brownies with ice cream.